Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you beauty hacks using Nature's Republic Soothing Gel. So if this video, that's something that you're interested in, just keep on watching.
Future husband, but love me right.
So ginagamit ko itong product na to for more than a year na. So this is actually my third tub. So this is 245 pesos. So binibili ko siya lagi sa last mall, but meron din silang mga official stores, mga authorized stores na nagkalat lang sa mall. But I heard na meron ding mga nagtitinda na mga sellers na claiming na original yung products na hindi fake. But for me, if you are gonna be using a product na gagamitin mo sa skin mo, but you don't like to compromise yung skin mo, but might as well na buy it online, you can try to buy this product through last mall or dun sa mga stores nila na nasa mall. So let's get started. Dun sa beauty hacks using this Nature's Republic Soothing Gel. So first things first, most is it can be used as a moisturizer for face and body. So ginamit ko na siya guys for more than a year na, like what I said earlier. So ginagamit ko siya sa face and sa body. So kung hindi ka fan nung cream base na moisturizer, that it can be used as a substitute. So, ang ganda niya sa skin, guys. Kung gusto mong ma-achieve yung glass skin, you can use this as a moisturizer. Then, second is, it can be used for sunburn, which is really good, lalo na kapag sobrang excited kang mag-swimming, then nababad ka, sobrang tirik yung araw, then this can be used for sunburn. Kasi, it can, when you applying the soothing gel dun sa skin na may sunburn, you will feel the immediate relief. Sobrang ganda niya or sobrang ginhawa ang mararamdaman mo kapag nilagay mo tong soothing gel na to sa sunburn or dun sa skin na may sunburn, because meron din siyang cooling effect. So sobrang ganda nito sa skin guys. Ito yung masasabi kong holy grail kasi when you continuously using this product is ma-achieve mo talaga yung classy look na gusto mong ma-achieve sa skin mo. So this is only 245 pesos, then sobrang dami na niyang pwedeng paggamitan aside from being a moisturizer sa skin mo. Then a third one is it can be used for dandruff or for dry scalp. Of course, kapag meron tayong dandruff sa ulo, sobrang kati and sobrang uncomfortable niya, lalo na kapag naka-dark ka na t-shirt or naka-itim ka na damit. Of course, kapag nagkakamot ka ng ulo, of course, merong mga nalalaglag na mga flaky dito sa damit mo, and sobrang hassle niya, lalo na kapag umaalis ka ng bahay. So, when you apply soothing gel, you can get cotton buds. Then, dip mo lang yung cotton buds dun dito sa soothing gel. Then, apply it dun sa area or dun sa scalp mo na merong dandruff. Or, you can use your hands directly by applying soothing gel on your scalp. Depende yan sa'yo sis kung ano yung mas comfortable ka or kung ano yung mas preferred mo. Then, the fourth one would be, it can be used as a shaving cream. Lalong-lalo na kapag hilig mong mag-shave ng underarm mo and you don't want na mag-wax, you can use this soothing gel as a shaving cream. Then, wag kang mag-shave ng kilikili mo or ng binti mo na walang shaving cream kasi doon magdadry yung skin mo. Lalong-lalo na sa kilikili is sobrang sensitive ng skin natin dyan. So, para hindi siya mangitim sis, use soothing gel as a shaving cream para hindi mako-compromise yung skin mo. So, habang sinishave mo yung kilikili mo or yung underarm mo o yung legs mo, of course, habang nag-shave ka, na-moisturize ng skin mo, hindi pa siya nako-compromise or hindi pa siya magda-dry after you rinse it out. Next is, it can be used as a makeup remover. Lalo na kung heavy duty yung makeup mo or sobrang kapal ng makeup mo or lagi kang nagmi-makeup araw-araw because requirement siya sa work. Then, it can be used this soothing gel as a makeup remover. So, you can get a piece of wet wipes. Then, dip mo lang yung wet wipes dito sa soothing gel. Then, apply it on your face or di naman kaya is you can use it directly you can use this soothing gel directly by using your hands, then apply it para mabura. Rub mo lang gently sa face mo yung soothing gel para mabura yung makeup mo sa face mo. Then next one, it can be used as an exfoliator. Of course, you have to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week. But syempre, para hindi ka na gumastos or bumili pa ng extra, or syempre, para hindi ka na gumastos dahil meron ka naman ng soothing gel. So, might as well, diba, gamitin mo na ng gamitin sa maraming paraan. So, what you have to do is get brown sugar. Just 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then, 1 tablespoon of soothing gel. Then, rub it gently on your face. Yung brown sugar, it will act as exfoliator. Then, habang yung nilarub mo or habang nilarub mo yung soothing gel na may brown sugar sa face mo, aside from na-exfoliate na ni brown sugar, yung face mo is namo-moisturize pa ni soothing gel yung face mo. Then, after that, once you're done, after 1 minute of exfoliating your face, rinse it off. Then, the next one, it can be used as a primer. So, it is really important talaga na meron kang primer bago ka maglagay ng makeup. It is really important din na merong skin preparations before you apply yung makeup para mas maganda yung outcome ng face mo. So, syempre, para hindi ka na rin gumastos ng extra, of course, dahil nga nagtitipid tayo at pandemic pa rin naman ngayon. So, since nakabili ka na ng 1 tub kumari, then, you can use this, of course, as a primer para mas maganda yung outcome at para hindi magiging cakey or hindi mamumuo yung makeup mo. Then, next step is, next, it can be used this soothing gel for skin irritations, lalo na kung sensitive yung skin mo, prone kang magkaroon ng mga kati-kati. You can use this soothing gel and apply it dun sa mga skin na may kati-kati ka or bigla na lang nagkaroon ng pantal dito sa face mo. Lalo na ako is sensitive din yung skin ko. But, ang good news dito sa soothing gel nito is pwede siya for all skin types. Diba? So, lastly, it can be treated for pimples. So, by using this soothing gel, so far sa napansin ko is hindi ako madalas magkaroon ng pimples habang ginagamit ko itong product na to. But kung meron ka ng existing na pimples, you just have to apply a small portion ng soothing gel. Then, kinabukasan is magsusubside na yung pamamaga nung pimples mo. So, add ko lang, lalo na kapag malalaki yung pores mo is add ko lang, kung malalaki yung pores mo, you can put this on the fridge or pwede mo tong ilagay sa ref. Then, syempre kapag lumamig na siya, apply it on your face. So, aside from moisturize na yung face mo, is matatighten up pa yung pores mo. So, diba? Sobrang sulit. So, aside from it will help na maging small yung pores mo, it will actually help us to boost yung collagen production sa skin natin. Then, aside from that, meron din siyang anti-aging properties, which is really good, lalo na kapag nasa 20 plus na tayo or mid-20s na tayo, is kailangan laging merong anti-aging. Syempre, ayaw nating tumanda ng maaga. As much as possible is dapat lagi tayong fresh. So there you have it. If this video find it helpful, just give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you won't miss any of my new video. Bye! Dear future